Operation Christmas Child, how to pack a shoebox. This is for a boy 2 to 4, so they want to make sure we're putting quality items in here, including other gifts and a wow item, and we always like to include a little towel, bar of soap, and toothbrush. So in here, you'll see we've got a cute little reindeer hat, some mittens for a 2 to 4-year-old boy, extra things to play with, balls, car. Big wow item is a little Tickle Me Elmo.
Oh, nighttime hugs are the best hugs.
Stickers, nice coloring book, toothbrush, socks, and crayons. So that would be a great box for a 2-year-old boy. So if you're thinking of donations, we are taking them till mid-November for these Operation Christmas Child boxes. We'll be doing a lot more stuff with our offices right up till Christmas for kids locally that might not have a Christmas unless there were kind people like you dropping stuff off. Thank you so much. So here we go with a boy 5 to 9 box, and as you can see, Jack already wrote a little Christmas card. So it's nice to put a card in. You can actually put a photo of your family and a nice message, which we'll add to this one. And they actually sometimes contact you. And we've got a face cloth, a wow item, which we got a Woody doll. And I actually found these at Superstore, regular $24 for $7 each. So you can find some amazing wow items for cheap. A bar of soap, pencil sharpener, pencil, notebook, stickers, a little grow toy, baseball, and that is your 5 to 9-year-old box with the wow item and everything they need, and bring some Christmas cheer to a kid that might not have Christmas this year. Thanks for your donations. Getting some people curious about donations, and I want to show you how to pack a box. This is a girl 2 to 4. We include a larger towel. If you want to donate Tupperware bins that are around the size of the Christmas boxes, so a toothbrush. That's not the toothbrush. Here's the toothbrush. And the wow item is this cute little doll. So that's a box, a perfect box for a 2 to 4-year-old girl that they would be wowed by and so excited to get their possible only gift ever at Christmas. And this is for the Operation Christmas Child Pack a Box. Thank you so much for all your donations, and we look forward to receiving more up until November 16th. Here we have a 5 to 9 girl Operation Christmas Child box. Inside we got some pants. These are actually dropped off at the Salvation Army. They're brand new with the tags. Usually stores like the Bay, Walmart clear out there. So these were $2. Then this is a new towel, pencil, crayon, eraser, pencil sharpener, a little puzzle, notepad, scissors, toothbrush, a little shirt, also brand new, bought at Salvation Army for $1.40 with the new tag still on it, and a discounted Playmobil set that I bought at Toys R Us. So